So starting off the day with some breakfast. So I've ordered French toast, the boys got banana pancakes. Gonna come back up and then we got a pack. And I don't know if Luke and Max want me to show their stuff, but I'm looking at it now and it's looking long. My stuff, to be fair, isn't that bad. I've got some stuff drying outside and then my stuff here is all fairly packed up. So shouldn't take me long. And then check out 12, gotta go get trained, go for security, empty our bag out long. And then I think the train's only an hour, 2 hours, so it's not a long travel day, but I'll take you with me. Alright, turns out I didn't get any breakfast because the lady decided to make the boys pancakes and then just walk away. And by the time she came back, breakfast was over, so walk into the shop to try and find a sandwich or a bag of crisps to have for breakfast. Because we don't have time to actually go anywhere because checkout is in about 45 minutes and we still got a pack, so that'd be fun. Alright, these are my options, look. Struggle milk. And these are the options for crisps. I'm going hungry today. And the drinks as well, they're all so dead. This could be the worst breakfast I've had in a while. A microwave sandwich. Sushi flavoured crisps and a Fanta. All the kids that are watching from school that know me as Coach Luca, make sure you have a proper breakfast because it helps you learn and it helps you run around loads at lunchtime and break time and play football, so eat your food. And if you're watching from school, let Slow know and she'll tell me that you're watching. I want to eat my food now. Obviously I didn't film all because we're here now, but packed all our bags up, went and got a smoothie, sat down for an hour, walking back to pick our bags up, get a cab to this train station, and then I don't really know what happens there, we'll see. We had a problem. We turned up to the train station and we couldn't get let through because we didn't pick up our tickets, so...
We have to collect our tickets from some restaurant, show them the QR code, they give us our tickets and they go like that. Luckily, it's literally a minute down the road, so...
Right, we're on a train now. It's just a train though, innit, look. Like, nothing special. There was a view, but we're now going for a tunnel. Doing a bit of admin. A bit long really. Right, we're currently stuck in a tunnel. Luke's asleep. Matt's got a podcast on. I didn't download anything, so I'm here. How long have you been here for?
Huh?
How long do you reckon you've been here for?
About 20 minutes.
Like 20 minutes, so the journey's a bit longer. And also, there's a lady down there, keeps staring at me, so I might just kick off. And see if I can catch her. Look. Look. Can't see her head. She's there. See her? See her face? I'm gonna lose it. I withdrew about 70 quid earlier. This is what it looks like. Just over 2 million. And for anyone wondering what happened to my arm, I was playing football with the locals, right? And I was nutmegged to pair of them. So they caught their dogs out. I fake shot a dog went flying. And then another dog came out and I thought, no, you're not doing that to my boy. And it just like bit up my arm, and so that's what happened. The room's got one double, 2 singles. Matt said a double bed in the last place, so me and Luke are flipping a coin. See who gets a double.
We'll both call it at the same time if it's different.
No, one calls it, one person. Do you want to call or shall I call? No, you call.
I'll call heads.
Wait, let's establish what heads and tails is first.
Heads?
Come on,
Alright.
like,
Tails. It's a coin.
No, but you don't know, it's different.
It's got to hit the floor. You're not catching it. It's hitting the floor. Get a torch out.
Where is it?
In the corner.
That is tails.
No, it's heads.
It's heads.
Oh.
You
Come on. What are you telling me?
game's a game. My bed's more comfy anyway, so I don't care.
I've actually ended up, I've got the smallest bed, and then it sort of progressively gets bigger. Like.
Yeah. Come on. Only thing is,
But I'm by the AC.
if anyone
Right, this is the last bit of the vlog. We went to a night market and bought myself some night shorts because I've only literally got 2 pairs of sports shorts, so I thought I'd splash out £4 on a brand new pair of fresh Nikes. Come on. We also, this is the last thing actually. We also booked some like thing where you hike up a mountain, sleep at the top of the mountain above the clouds, and come back down. That'd be fun. Yeah. Love.